All right, now here is an activity you can do if you want to look at the David and Goliath story at home. So I've got my Goliath here. He's a really big, ugly dinosaur, and I've got a whole lot of other Philistines down here. So you can set them up like this. You put your Goliath in, you put your other Philistines around like this, and I've got my stone that maybe David threw here. And the idea is to knock all the Philistines over and slay the giant. So let's have a little bit of a go at it, see if we can do it. Okay. Righto. Put this down here. That's where I'll bowl from. All right. Well, strike! Strike! Now I'm David. Here's my slingshot.